Let's start the class. Okay, definition. What is a lens? What is a lens? Okay, a lens is formed when a transparent material is bounded by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical. This is called lens. Once again, repeat this definition. A lens is formed when the transparent material is bounded by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical. Is called lens. This is definition. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. What is a lens? A lens is formed when a transparent material is bounded by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical. Okay, this is definition. A lens is formed when transparent material. Okay, what is a transparent material? For example, spectacle. Okay, spectacle means transparent material. Okay, is bounded by two surfaces. This is first surface. This is second surfaces. Two surfaces is there. Okay, upper side and lower side. Two surfaces, and which one or both surfaces are spherical. Okay, this one spherical. Okay, spherical. This example for spectacles. Lens. Example for spectacles. Lens. There are two types. First one concave. And second one convex. Lens, there are two types. First one concave and second one convex. Next one, what is meant by concave lens? A concave lens is bounded by spherical surface curved inward is called concave lens. Curved inwards. Okay, this is a concave. Curved inward. This is called concave lens. The image produce erect. Concave lens, the image produce erect. Next one, what is meant by convex lens? A lens may spherical surface blugging outward. Okay, this like blugging outward. This is inward, this is outward. This is inward. Concave lens inward. Convex outward. Blugging outward. What is meant by convex lens? Once again repeated this one. The spherical surface blugging outward is called convex lens. Blugging outward is called convex lens. Okay, the image produce inverted or erected. Convex lens. Lens, there are two types, concave and convex. Okay, concave inward, convex outward. Understood? Concave lens inward, convex lens outward. Convex lens, it is used to optical instrument. Okay, five is there. First one telescope, and second one microscope, and third one camera lenses, and fourth one eye lens, and fifth one magnifying glasses. This is applications of convex lens applications. Second one, concave lens. It is used to optical instruments. Concave lens, four is there. First one, binoculars, and second one, telescopes, and third one, eye glasses. Eye glasses means spectacles, and fourth one, flashlight. This example for our applications for concave lens. Concave lens. These applications. Next one, draw diagrams of different lenses. Draw the diagrams of different lenses. This is question. Different lenses. Okay, how many lenses is there? Already told. Okay, lens, there are two types. First one concave lens, second one convex lens. Okay, draw the diagrams. Okay, I am draw the diagrams. See the diagrams. Afterwards, you draw the diagrams. First two, double convex. Double convex. Okay, this like. This is double convex lens or biconvex. Biconvex. Bi means two. Biconvex or double convex. Double convex. This diagram, biconvex or double convex. What is meant by double convex? A lens may have two spherical. This is first one, this is second one. Two spherical surface plugging outwards is called double convex. Double convex lens. Okay, second, draw the diagram. Double concave or biconcave. Okay, observe the diagram. Observe the diagram. See. This one, double concave or biconcave. I am right. Biconcave or double concave. Okay, what is meant by double concave? A double concave lens is bounded by two spherical surfaces. Okay, is there a 1 and 2? Two spherical surfaces curved inward. It is called double concave lens. Okay, two diagrams completed, biconvex and biconcave. Next one, plane convex. Okay, plane. This is one line. This is plane. Plane means one line. And convex. This like. This is plano convex. Next one, plano concave. Okay, very easy. Draw the one line and this like. See, observe. This like. This one, plano concave. Plano concave. Right? Plano concave. Okay, this is inward. Plano concave. Next one, how many diagrams is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one, concave and convex. This like. This is a diagram, concave and convex. Okay, 5 diagrams is there, biconvex and biconcave and plano convex and plano concave and concave and convex. This diagrams very important in 2 marks question.